It's cold and snowy outside. I wish I just had a fire right now.
I'm doing this tutorial digitally, but feel free to follow along traditionally. Let's start on the sketch layer. First, draw a shallow X wider than tall. Draw an oval at the ends of each X leg, and then draw 2 lines on either side of the oval, running parallel to the middle line. Finish the log with a curved line connecting the 2 outside lines, following the edge of the oval. Using a different color, place a dot in the cross-section of the X and draw a curved S-line, getting smaller further up the canvas. From the top of the curved line, draw another curving parallel line, connecting at a point. After the last curve, break away from the parallel line and continue to draw the curved line to the dot. This will create a bottom-heavy shape. Create another S-curve at an angle to the right of the edge of the first curved line, and connect the 2 lines with another curved line. Continue to add more curved edges to the body of the flame. This is the best time to flesh out the shape of the fire. If necessary, draw a curved line in a different color to show the general movement of the flame. Create a new layer and lower the opacity of the sketch layer to 30%. Use a dark brown to outline the logs. Be sure to draw one log overlapping the other, leaving some portion for the flame. Choose a red and draw some curves following the underneath layer. Fill the log circles with the outline color, and fill the inside of each log with a lighter shade of brown. Don't worry about drawing over the line work, just replace the old with new lines. From the edge of the logs, draw lines to contour the wood. To finish, choose a dark gray and draw a spiral in each log circle. Redraw the edges of the flame and color in the flame red. Don't forget to clean up the curves and edges with an eraser. Using the shade of orange, draw some V's inside the flame, leaving some red tips, but coloring the rest of the body with orange. With a lighter shade of orange, draw some V's inside the flame, leaving some orange above the light orange. Color in the flame, and clean up the edge of each color if necessary. Use a yellow to draw some V's inside the flame, leaving some light orange surrounding the yellow, and fill in the flame. Place some yellow along the bottom to extend the yellow portion. With the lightest yellow shade, draw a curved teardrop in the middle of the yellow and fill in that shape. Finally, resize the fire as necessary. And that's it, how to draw a campfire. If you have any suggestions on what to draw next, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time on ASC Tutorials.
Wow, a fire! I have a fire now!